Alright, for our 777 subscriber special, we're going to be doing a maneki-niko out of some wood under the strict supervision of Chiburashka with an AK-47. Look what it says on the side right here. It says polite people in Russian. So let's see how it's done. It's all cut out. Let's go ahead and Dremel the lines so it makes it easier to paint. Came out really good. My wife loves it. The Bitcoin was a nice little addition instead of just a good luck charm. The circle is removable. I cut out a bit on it to get the hook through and so forth. Oh, I need to put little foot pads on the bottom. And yeah, pretty easy. So we hit 777. Actually, we were like 5 away from 800 already since. But I missed 666 subscriber special. I was gonna do some demon mask, but ended up sandbagging. But this one we got it done, so next one will be at 1000. But great success. Thanks you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.